Yo, what's going on? It's your boy, Ethan Bailey, back with another helpful YouTube video, and today we're going to be replacing the door check on a 2009 Mitsubishi Lancer Rally R. So, this little bastard right here, it's too worn out, this driver's side replacement here. You know, we took the door panel off, you know, pretty simple, but to get access to the door chuck, we're gonna have to go through this small little opening, reach our fucking hands all the way in there, and then get that out, and we'll see how easy it is. Yeah. So we just got a 10 mil here, holding it to the frame, and then we got two 10 mils here, and you know, this is gonna be more helpful if you got two people. I'm gonna get my girlfriend to hold it, so you know it doesn't fall into the door. It just becomes a bigger problem. So preferably get someone with like really narrow arms to reach their hand fully in there, because I literally can't reach my hand any further, and then I'm grabbing it and then oh it does not want to come out. Oh, there it is. You guys can see it's super worn, gunked up, and it just was not holding the door frickin' at all anymore.
And that's the new one.
Yeah, there we go. Is that, oh yeah, that's going through.
Okay.
Yeah. Oh, there we go. Okay, I'm good.
Yep.
Oh, the door's scraping on the arm. Oh. Okay, all right. Now we're just gonna tighten her up.
Go.
So, I wasn't really sure how to undo these lines here, but in order to properly work on that, I had to take out these electrical connectors. Blue one goes up top here for your powered mirrors. This one goes for your windows, which is, oh shit. Okay. I think I would have done the other one first. That would have worked a little better. And there we go. That's all in. All right, now I'm just gonna wipe this up. Looks pretty good. Just go all along here, clipping it in. But we're gonna give it a little test. We're gonna put the door 45-degree angle. Totally, the last one would not hold that. You know, it's actually holding now where you leave it. You know, it's not just gonna, we're on a slight incline here. You know, it's not just gonna fully whip. It's gonna go nice, gradually slow. So that's super nice. Happy with it.